Assalamu alaikum, guys. Ever wonder, how does my sadaqah change lives? I'll show you guys right now. This 50 kg rice will feed a family typically of 8 for 2 months straight. We got the last couple bags of milk powder. And the most important thing, the dates. We're at our last stop. We've loaded up the potatoes and we're currently loading up the onions, which we're gonna take them to the village and distribute them. We have arrived at the Jabora Kuta village. As you can see, the guys behind me are doing an amazing job distributing these food parcels. With just $100, you guys can feed a family up to 6 the whole month of Ramadan. Make a difference this Ramadan. You are their hope.